Hello, and thank you for joining us this evening. My name is Alma Ramirez, and I will be sharing my final project on optimizing the curriculum, leveraging best practices to modernize and enhance new operator transit training. The study evaluates the new operator training program administered by California Public Transit Agencies. Anchored in FMCSA Guidelines 49 CFR Part 380, Appendices B and C, the curriculum covers essential theory and safe operation. While federal law mandates specific topics rather than minimum hours, California DMV requires a 15-hour behind the wheel minimum for Class B passenger endorsement. Despite these standardized requirements, delivery methods such as the use of simulators, mentorship, and assessment vary across agencies. This report identifies opportunities to integrate adult learning best practices to enhance operator readiness and mitigate risk, specifically addressing the following questions. From the perspective of the training staff, where do new operators demonstrate the most significant gaps in knowledge or skills, and which subject proved most challenging? What are the industry standards best practices for delivering a new operator training program, and how can these be effectively adapted to the unique operational challenges faced by California transit agencies? Utilizing a qualitative approach, this research prioritized the expertise of training professionals over raw numerical data. Semi-structured interviews with personnel from 6 California transit agencies capture the nuanced insights into systemic barriers and professional successes. A standardized inquiry process across all participants revealed 5 primary themes, highlighting universal training gaps and successful delivery methods. The comparative analysis identifies 5 core themes that define current industry standard best practices in transit training. These include fostering long-term professional growth through mentorship and peer programs that extend well beyond initial graduation, utilizing data-driven design via real-time metrics and performance dashboards. The analysis also highlighted the importance of immersive learning, specifically through sensitivity training and location-specific videos, alongside the implementation of customized curricula. Finally, there is a significant shift in culture and leadership towards a more human-centric approach of teaching. When we look at the data, we see 5 systemic themes that identify the common gaps across agencies. Right now, the average training window is only 9 to 10 weeks. In that short time, we are seeing massive curriculum overload. Every agency we study struggled with route familiarization, and most found that teaching de-escalation is now actually harder than teaching technical skills. Beyond the classroom, we see poor alignment with recruitment and the added pressure of training on diverse vehicle fleets. This creates a culture of trial and error that we simply can't afford. But here's the most important takeaway. These gaps create a massive opportunity for partnership. We have to move away from individual trial and error and towards a collaborative roadmap. To do that, we must invest in high quality, proactive training departments. Building a strong professional foundation of our frontline workers is not just nice to have, it's a fiscal and operational necessity. By prioritizing our training staff, we enhance public safety, foster culture of care, and ultimately we stabilize employee retention while attracting the next generation of talent. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.